the sigmoid function. It is very important to logistic regression. Y equal to e raised to z divided by 1 plus e raised to z. This is the sigmoid function. Let us divide numerator and denominator by e raised to z. We will get e raised to z by e raised to z. It is 1 divided by 1 by e raised to z plus 1, and this is equal to 1 by e raised to minus n plus 1. Okay, let us take the limit z tending to infinity. What is y? That is 1 by this can be written as, okay, let us write it e raised to z plus 1. When x tending to infinity, this will become 1 by infinity plus 1. You know, 1 by infinity is 0, so it is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 1. When z tending to infinity, the sigmoid function will give 1. When z tending to minus infinity, that is limit z tending to minus infinity, what is the value of 1 by e raised to minus z plus 1? When z tending to minus infinity, minus z tending to plus infinity, we can write this is equal to limit z tending to minus infinity. When z tending to infinity, minus z tending to infinity, e raised to minus z is equal to infinity, that is e raised to z is equal to 0. We have y is equal to the sigmoid function e raised to z divided by 1 plus e raised to z, and when e raised to z is equal to 0, this will become 0 divided by 1 plus 0 is equal to 0. When z tending to plus infinity, y is equal to 1. When z tending to minus infinity, y is equal to 0. Next, let us check what is y when z tending to 0. Limit z tends to 0. What is 1 by, okay, let us take this e raised to z divided by 1 plus e raised to z. This is equal to, when z is 0, the e raised to z will be 1 divided by 1 plus e raised to z, it will be 1. So it will be 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. That is, when z is tending to 0, that is z equal to 0, y equal to 0.5. Then let us plot this in a graph. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. This is the 0. Then let us take this as 0.5 and this is 1. So here when x equal to 0, y is 0.5. When this set tending to infinity, the y approaches 0, so we can draw it like this. When x tending to plus infinity, this are positive, y tending to 1, this is 1, the function will be like this. This is the concept of sigmoid function.